You need to watch this if you think AI is making your skills obsolete. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the pace of change. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked a lot of conversations and concerns about the future of traditional skills and tools. Many people are wondering if their hard-earned expertise in areas like Python, Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Power Apps will soon be rendered useless by AI advancements. AI tools like Copilot and ChatGPT are impressive, no doubt about it. These tools can assist in writing code, generating content, and even providing customer support. They are designed to make our lives easier and our work more efficient. But the question remains, do they really replace Python, Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Power Apps? To answer this, we need to delve deeper into what these tools offer and how they integrate with AI technologies. AI is advancing quickly, automating tasks from coding to creating dashboards. For instance, AI can now write basic scripts, generate reports, and even create visualizations with minimal human intervention. This has led to a significant increase in productivity and efficiency in various industries. However, this doesn't mean that the need for human expertise has diminished. So, do you still need to learn Python, SQL, or Excel? The short answer is yes. While AI can handle many tasks, it still requires human oversight and intervention to ensure accuracy and relevance. Let's break it down further. Absolutely. At Instrovate, we've trained hundreds of professionals, and through our extensive experience, we've observed that AI doesn't replace these skills, it enhances them. The key is to understand how to leverage AI to complement your existing skill set. And here's what we know. AI doesn't replace these skills, it enhances them. For example, AI can help you automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more complex and creative aspects of your work. This synergy between AI and human skills can lead to remarkable outcomes. Python AI can write scripts, but without knowing Python, you won't know how to debug or optimize them. Python remains a fundamental programming language for data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Understanding Python allows you to customize AI-generated scripts, troubleshoot issues, and enhance performance. You won't know how to debug or optimize them. Moreover, Python's extensive libraries and frameworks, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, are essential for developing advanced AI models. By mastering Python, you can harness the full potential of these tools and stay ahead in the AI-driven world. Excel, it's still the go-to for quick analysis and formatting, key for structuring data for AI. Excel's versatility and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for data manipulation and analysis. While AI can automate data entry and basic calculations, human expertise is crucial for interpreting results and making informed decisions, key for structuring data for AI. Additionally, Excel's advanced features such as pivot tables, macros, and data visualization tools require a deep understanding to be used effectively. By mastering Excel, you can ensure that your data is well organized and ready for AI-driven analysis. SQL, essential for managing databases and precise queries. SQL remains the backbone of database management. While AI can assist in generating basic queries, complex database operations and optimizations still require human expertise. Understanding SQL allows you to design efficient database structures, write optimized queries, and ensure data integrity. Power BI and Power Apps, indispensable for creative data visualization and low-code development. These tools empower users to create interactive dashboards and applications with minimal coding. While AI can suggest visualizations and automate certain tasks, human creativity and insight are essential for designing meaningful and impactful solutions. AI complements these tools by automating repetitive tasks and generating insights faster. For instance, AI can quickly analyze large data sets and identify patterns, but it takes human expertise to interpret these patterns and derive actionable insights. By combining AI with tools like Power BI and Power Apps, you can create powerful data-driven solutions that drive business success and generating insights faster. This collaboration between AI and human skills leads to more efficient workflows and better decision-making. By understanding how to use AI tools effectively, you can enhance your productivity and stay competitive in the job market. For example, Copilot in Power BI can suggest visualizations, but it's up to you to ensure the data is accurate and meaningful. AI can provide valuable assistance, but it cannot replace the critical thinking and domain knowledge that humans bring to the table. By validating AI-generated insights and making informed decisions, you can ensure that your work remains relevant and impactful, but it's up to you to ensure the data is accurate and meaningful. This is where your expertise comes into play. By understanding the nuances of your data and the context in which it is used, you can make better decisions and create more effective solutions. At Instrovate, our 4-month Data Analytics Training plus Internship equips you with these essential skills and shows you how to use AI tools effectively. Our comprehensive program covers everything from basic data analysis to advanced AI techniques, ensuring that you are well prepared for the challenges of the modern workplace. Equips you with these essential skills and shows you how to use AI tools effectively. By combining hands-on training with real-world projects, we help you build a strong foundation in data analytics and AI. Our experienced instructors provide personalized guidance and support, ensuring that you gain the confidence and skills needed to succeed. Sign up for a free demo today, link in the description. Don't miss this opportunity to future-proof your career and stay ahead of the curve. Join us at Instrovate and unlock the full potential of AI and data analytics.